welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of DivaMePlz, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is going to be part 3 of the Polygel Swatch series. So if you have not watched the previous 2, make sure you go check those out first before watching this one. Or, you know, you can watch this one too and then go watch those. Whatever you choose, just make sure you watch them, okay? Period. Let's go ahead and get straight into this swatch video. We will be doing the rainbow colors of Vrenmol. I think that's how you pronounce it. So let's get straight into it. I have not used any of these colors, I believe. If any, I probably have used the orange one before. I think that may be it. My clients were not too big of fans of the rainbow colors for some odd reason. They prefer the glow in the dark or glitter colors. So, or even like the nude colors, nudes and pinks mainly. Alright, so starting first, we have purple, rainbow purple. Oh, don't know how that happened. So they look like really vibrant colors. Purple is my absolute favorite color. When I decided I wanted to be a girl and not a tomboy anymore, when I wanted to be a tomboy, I was in love with the color blue. But next we have rainbow orange. And these are such vibrant colors. Let me show you up close. Look at that purple and that orange. Gorgeous. Next we have rainbow yellow. Now that yellow is a little on the lighter side, but it is very vibrant still. Next we have rainbow green. So what are you guys thinking about these colors? Would you try this brand with these colors? Let me know in the comments below. Next we have rainbow blue. That looks so pretty. Loving that blue. And last but not least, we have rainbow red. Ooh, that one is gorgeous. Look at that. Pretty. Look at those rainbow colors. We have purple, orange, yellow, green, red, and blue. Blue and red. Alright, so let me cure this for you guys real fast and I'll be back. This is what the colors look like all cured. Aren't these colors so freaking pretty? So let me know down in the comments below, guys, if you are thinking about trying this brand and these colors. I would love to see what you guys come up with. But that is going to wrap up today's video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you would like to see next on my channel down in the comment box below. Make sure you share this with all of your other beginner nail tech friends so that we can all grow and learn together. And consider subscribing to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. I have reviews coming, swatches coming, unboxings coming, and vlogs coming. Who wants to come to work with me in a nail salon? If you would like to, make sure you subscribe and make that notification bell ring so that you are notified every time I upload and you're not late to the party. Until next time, guys, bye.